Star Engineers and Grun Mobility.
Good morning. This is Anushka Wani, digital editor for AM and A&D magazine, and welcome back to the Morning Bites. This podcast is presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Grun Mobility. This week's headlines focus on the business and industrial updates from India and across the globe so that you can start your week. Before we start, we are pleased to present Dr. Anil Lamba, Chartered Accountant, Financial Literacy Activist, author of the best-selling book, Romancing the Balance Sheet.
If you know how to read balance sheets, it will come to your aid on numerous occasions. For example, in your business life, you bump into a potential customer. And the customer says, I can give you a very, very large order. But your normal policy is to give 30 days credit. I want 300 days credit. Should you say yes or no? Should you say no only because 300 days sounds unreasonably long, inordinately long, and in the process lose a very big order? But on the other hand, if you say yes to the wrong kind of a company, you'll never recover your money. If you knew how to read a balance sheet, you would take a more sensible decision, a wiser decision. In your personal life, somebody comes to you, says, give me your life savings and I'll give you some ridiculous 80-90% interest per annum. Should you say no only because the interest sounds too good to be true and in the process lose a once-in-a-lifetime offer? But on the other hand, if you say yes to the wrong kind of a person, you never see your money again. Read the balance sheet. Who's making the offer? How many people used to come selling to us at one time? Timeshares. And so many people lost money. And along the way came Mahindra Holidays, the whole scenario changed. Read the balance sheet. Who's asking for it? You go to a bank to ask for a loan, the banker says, bring your balance sheet.
Thank you, Dr. Anil Lamba, for an insightful session on financial management. Moving on, we have some interesting industry highlights and news curated just for you. Here is a quick glance at this week's headlines. Let's Transport raises $22 million to expand its logistics solutions offerings. Manufacturing sector forecasting a 7% increase in freshers hiring. And Honeywell technology to produce sustainable aviation fuel with lower cost and waste. Let's Transport, which is a trucking aggregation firm, has raised about $22 million, which calculates to around Rs 183 crores. In a Series E fundraising round led by its current investor, Boltzmann India Investments, B Bright Partners, NB Ventures, ALES Global, Stride Ventures, and CAC Capital were among the other investors who had participated in this round. The Career Outlook report by Team Leaks EdTech talks about India's manufacturing sector seeing an increase in the freshers hiring rate. The report recorded a 7% increase in the recruitment of new graduates to India's industrial sector. This surge coincides with increased capital expenditure and merger acquisition activity in the thriving automotive, electronics, and textile industry. Bangalore has reported the highest demand for automation engineers at a 61% rate, while Chennai takes the lead with the demand for about 56% of embedded engineers. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing business environment, where innovation and technology are constantly emerging, it is essential for industries and businesses to remain up to date and adapt to the evolving landscape. Our objective is to assist you in staying ahead of the curve by providing you with the latest developments and trends. Join our community and stay informed with the changing industry. Honeywell has announced that its hydrocracking technology can be used to produce sustainable aviation fuels from biomass, helping to make sustainable aviation fuel that is 90% carbon intensive than the traditional fossil-based fuels. The new technology produces 3 to 5% more SAF enabling cost reduction of up to 20% and reduces by-products waste streams as compared to the other commonly used hydroprocessing technologies. That was it for this week's industrial updates. We will be back next week. For more updates, log on to www.pi-india.in. Thank you and have a nice day.
You are watching Morning Bites, presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Grun Mobility.